All right, it's been a minute since I've done a video. Got some new stuff in, so I decided I'll start tearing some more stuff apart. These are 6-inch Ghostbuster shells. They're noise shells. They're supposed to be as good, if not better, than Kong's, Anarchy 6-inch, the blacks, and Rambo's. So I guess we'll start tearing into them, see what we got here. So just like everything, take the top off. It's got about an inch, which is normal. Get this stuff turned on. We'll get into, let's do the fuse first. Sorry, it might be a little rusty, but we'll get through it. All right, fuses are usually 1.5 or so. 1.5. Go to the lift next. I kind of wanted to save this label, but I don't know if that's going to happen. Oh well. Get into the lift here, cut the bottom off. Lift, we got 11.4 grams. And we'll get into the burst, normal time fuse, clay on top. Use this one. I will say these are packaged different than Kong's and Anarchy's. The packaging, the case is smaller, the cardboard's smaller, so I think it's just compacted a little bit more, but they are 6 inches, just like all the other ones. But we'll see what's inside here. If we break this clay up a little bit to make it easier to get out. Pull the let me grab another container here so I get this clay in there. It's looking like a double clay plug, kind of like I think it was the Con Killers or Anarchy. One of them had a double clay plug with the same amount of composition inside. I think the totals for those were like 71 total, just like the Rambos. The Rambos are 72, I think. Definitely has got a double clay plug here. All right. A little bit of the powder here. Do my best to keep as much as I can in there. Might lose a little. These big chunks out. Come on. There we go. Oh gosh, there's even more. Yeah, there's a little bit of powder in there, burst powder, but not enough to really throw much off since there's a little bit of clay still mixed in there. All right, get this on. Let's see what we're at here. Yeah, and there's a little clay in there. It's okay. It'll be all right, I promise. There is a lot. Holy cow. Yeah, that's a lot more. So we'll get that added up here. Okay, 83.2 grams. These are officially the heaviest I have pulled apart when it comes to noise cans. The Rambo's total I think was 72 something. The Anarchies and the Kongs were 71 something. So yeah, the total, the burst on this is actually just as much as the Kongs and the Rambos. with all their composition with the lift and fuse. So this is definitely the heaviest, most likely going to be the loudest salute I've tested or torn apart. Here we go. Good to know. Ghostbusters 6-inch canister shells.